Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare linear rail versus V-slot systems. We'll dive into their core mechanics, exploring how each option facilitates linear motion. You'll learn about their distinct advantages and disadvantages, helping you understand where each system truly shines. By the end, you'll have a clear picture of which solution is best suited for your specific project, whether it's for a hobbyist build or a more demanding industrial application. Let's get started. Linear rails are the go-to for applications demanding high precision and rigidity. They feature hardened steel tracks and recirculating ball bearings, providing exceptional accuracy and minimal deflection. These systems can handle significant loads, often exceeding 100 kilograms, and offer a very long operational lifespan. However, their installation requires precise alignment, and the initial investment is typically higher, sometimes costing several $100s per meter, making them a more premium choice. V-slot systems, often utilizing aluminum extrusions and Delrin or polycarbonate wheels, are a popular choice for their affordability and ease of assembly. They are excellent for lighter-duty applications, typically supporting loads under 20 kilograms, and are widely used in three-dimensional printers and small computer numerical control machines. While offering good performance for their price point, their precision is generally lower than linear rails, and the wheels may experience wear over time, requiring periodic adjustment or replacement. When deciding between linear rails and V-slot, carefully consider your project's specific needs. For applications requiring extreme precision, high rigidity, and heavy load support, such as industrial automation or large-format computer numerical control, linear rails are the superior choice. If your project involves lighter loads, a tighter budget, and you prioritize ease of assembly for a hobbyist three-dimensional printer or small laser engraver, then a V-slot system will likely be more suitable. Choose wisely for optimal performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.